guys, my name is Kay and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, this is going to be an unboxing video. And today is going to be a different unboxing because I will be unboxing the Fitbit Versa Lite edition. So if you wanna know what's inside, then please keep on watching. So, bigyan ko lang kayo ng a little story time kung bakit kami bumili nito. Actually, I just recently passed the IELTS. So, my husband promised to buy me this smart watch kasi nga nahihilig akong mag-exercise recently. So, as a reward for passing the IELTS, so he decided to buy me the Fitbit. So, we originally planned to buy the Charge 3. Pero, meron kami mga naging struggles along the way. So, we decided to go to Al Salam Mall kasi dun yung Virgin store. Yung Virgin Superstore na may tindahan ng mga electronics and all that stuff. Kasi dun namin nakikita yung Fitbit. But unfortunately, unavailable siya doon, and ang available na lang is a different model and last piece na. So, we don't wanna settle for the last piece. So, we decided that we'll go to Jarir Bookstore. So, doon namin nabili yung mga watch. So, Fitbit. If you are a fitness buff, then you might have heard of this brand. So, Fitbit Versa Lite Edition. So, we got two. Ito para sa husband ko and this one is for me. So, originally, ang presyo niya is 799 reals, but it was on sale on Jarir. So, we got it for 699 reals only. So, nakatipid kami ng 100 reals. So, it says here that on the side of the box, it says that it is swim-proof, 24/7 heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, smartphone notification, and battery life of 4+ days. So, by the way, yung nga palang claims niya dito sa likod, as I've mentioned, diba dito sa side niya, meron siyang mga nakalagay na kung ano yung mga features niya. So, it's 24/7 heart rate tracking, swim-proof, automatically tracks activity and exercise, and then there's 15+ exercise modes, pace and distance with phone GPS. So, ito, wala siyang sarili ng GPS. So, you have to connect it to your phone para ma-enable mo yung GPS. It has sleep tracking, so light sleep, deep sleep, and REM. So, matatrack niya yung quality of sleep mo. So, makikita mo kung nakatutulog ka ba ng enough. Smartphone notifications and interchangeable yung bands niya as you've seen earlier na meron siyang extra na band for if you want a bigger size. So, pwede mo siyang palitan. Kaso, sold separately yung mga bands niya. And battery life is 4 to 5 days. Pinili namin yung Fitbit over the Apple Watch kasi dahil sa battery life. Kasi battery life ng iPhone based sa mga reviews, ano lang siya, parang 2 days lang. 1 to 2 days lang. Unlike this one, it claims to have a 4+ days. Originally, dapat ang bibili namin ay yung Charge 3 kasi yung Charge 3 inaabot daw ng 1 week bago siya malo, but same price range lang naman sila, 699. So, we settled for the one with the screen. So, same lang din sila ng mga features, ng specifications ng Charge 3. The only difference is that this one has a bigger screen. Unlike the Charge 3, medyo maliit siya. So, we got different colors. So, one is this ocean blue, marina ocean blue, and the other one is lilac. So, excited ako kasi gusto ko talaga to. Gusto ko talagang magkaroon nito, and my husband made my dream come true. So, he bought me this one. Sa kanya tong blue kasi ito lang yung mga colors na available. Merong pink, Pero yung pink kasi last piece na yon, and they said that they cannot sell it to me kasi they don't sell last piece products, lalo na if it's on display. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. So yung ano niya, ganyan lang siya. So ganyan lang yung package niya. So may anti-theft dito and it's sealed. So open natin siya. Excited ako. Actually, ano daw to eh. Gift niya sa akin for passing the IELTS plus early birthday gift because my birthday is coming soon. So 1 month na lang, birthday ko na. So that's gonna be gift, birthday gift, early birthday gift. So excited ako. Pero excited ako talaga. Na-try ko na siya actually in store. So, ito yung laman niya. So, once you open the box, meron siyang manual on how you will start the device and also kung ano yung mga nasa loob. So, ito siya. So, ito na yung watch. So, protected siya by film. Tapos, ito pala, pwede mo siyang palitan yung band. So, ganyan siya. So, it comes with the watch itself. Then, there's another one here. So, may isa pa siyang strap. Actually, itong strap na to, dito ipapalit mo siya if kailangan mo ng mas malaki. Pero tingin ko okay na ako dun sa smaller band. Kasi meron siyang small band and there's one for bigger arms. So, maliit lang naman yung arms ko. So, pwede na sa akin yung small na strap. And it also comes with a charger. So, ito yung charger niya and manual. Safety instructions and limited warranty. So, yun nasa loob ng box. So, yung charger niya, let's open. So, ito yung charger niya. Para siyang clamp. Ayan siya. Para siyang clamp. So, ika-clamp ko lang yung watch para ma-charge siya. So, I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a review of this watch kasi I don't have anything to compare it with. First. Second, I'm not that much of a techie person. So, for as long as it does the job, then the phone or the gadget is fine with me. So, ito siya. Wala lang siyang kasamang adapter. So, it works with a standard adapter. So, that's not gonna be a problem. So, ito siya. Ilalagay mo lang siya yung watch dito para mo siya ma-charge. So, that's what's inside the box. So, wala na. Yun lang. Yun lang yung laman niya. So, this one, actually curious din ako to open. Sa husband ko naman to and he gave me permission to open it. So, let's open it. I will just show you the colors. Pero yung laman, basically, it's the same. So, same model naman siya. Magkaiba lang siya ng color. So, maganda siya. Color blue. But I think it's a little too masculine for me. So, ayan siya. So, that's the blue one. And this one is the lilac one. So, medyo parang similar siya sa Apple Watch. Pero, it's way cheaper. Like, 50% cheaper than the Apple Watch. Because, when we checked earlier, Apple Watch cost for around 1,200. So, mura lang siya. So, excited na akong itry siya kasi araw-araw na ulit ako nag-exercise. So, sana ma-inspire ako mag-exercise lalo since meron na akong gear na makapag-track ng exercise ko. And, by the way, for the specifications, hindi siya katulad ng Apple Watch that has mobile functions na pwede kang mag-text or pwede kang, meron lang siyang notifications to alert you if meron kang new messages or new updates sa phone mo. Pero, I don't think pwede kang makapag-text with this gadget. But, anyways, why would you need to text when you're working out? So, I don't think that I will buy a gadget for more expensive amount. Kung may cellphone naman ako, yun naman ginagamit kong pang text. So, workout doesn't last for more than an hour. So, I think the text can wait. So, okay lang na hindi ka makapag-text with the smartwatch. So, that's it. Yun lang yung unboxing ko for today. So, yun nga. So, yun. So, yun lang yung unboxing ko. I'm really excited to use this product because we have been eyeing to buy this for a very long time. So, since we had the time and a little mishaps, finally, nabili na rin namin yung Fitbit. So, if you like videos like this, please like this video. Please comment down below if ano yung workout nyo and if you are using fitness watches like this. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not been subscribed, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!